Yeah, I'm hoping the rain won't get much worse than this because otherwise I'm screwed. Fun times! Bring it on, Grand Canyon! Bring it on! It is 6:30 p.m. Crisis averted. It stopped raining for now. Crisis not averted. It's raining again. When it rains, it pours. Okay, so it quit raining again, which is awesome, although I just saw thundering. It is 7 p.m., almost 7 p.m., 6:57, and I'm still trekking my way to Phantom Ranch. I don't know how far it is. That is one thing that doesn't concern me, but I wish there were more signs letting people know where we are. So I think when I get to Phantom Ranch, I'm going to turn my Garmin's mileage on so that it gives me peace of mind, a frame of reference, and safety. The reason I didn't do it throughout the trip, throughout the hike, is because it burns the Garmin battery exponentially. But with only 10 miles to go from Phantom Ranch to the South Rim, I think I should be okay. Okay, hopefully it's no more than a couple of miles from here. But yeah, no, at least it's not raining. I have food, I have water. I'm good. I have crossed so many bridges. I couldn't even tell you which one this is or where I am. Still trying to get to Phantom Ranch. It is 7:09 p.m. A sign. Yes, finally a sign. Bright Angel Camp, 3/4 of a mile. All right, now I have something to work with. It is 7:16 p.m. and I have 3/4 of a mile to go. Okay. Okay, I just left Phantom Ranch. I have 10 miles to go, and I turned my mileage on my Garmin on so that I know where the hell I am. And as far as the time, it is 7:43 p.m. So 7:45. And as far as the mileage, I have done 0 miles yet, and I'm 44 seconds into it. Okay, 10 miles to go. We'll be there tomorrow for sure. Hey buddy, I don't want to spook you, but you're gorgeous. Okay, goodbye. Have a good evening. So this is the Colorado River, and it's much less scary this time around because it's so dark I can't see shit. So life is good. Oh la la! What a beautiful view. Garmin says I am 2 miles north of Phantom Ranch and 8 miles south of the South Rim. And the time is 8:30 p.m. And that is très bien. The date is Tuesday, November 3rd, and the weather is not raining, which is très bien aussi. Bonjour. How are we doing with time? I'm at the halfway mark, so I have 5 miles to the top. Of course, the last 5 miles are vertical, with anywhere from 35 to 45 minutes to complete a mile. And time-wise, it's 10 minutes to 10 p.m. So, okay. No problemo. We got this. 5 miles to go, baby. 5 miles. Little status update. How are we doing with miles? According to Garmin, I'm 3 miles from the top. The time is, well, I'll look at the time later because this is a very steep section. I haven't seen the Grand Canyon 3 mile signage yet, so I think there's a bit of a disconnect between Garmin and the Grand Canyon signs, but that's okay. I know I'm getting close. It's just that it is so steep that it's taking a really long time to cover the miles. But it's okay. I can already tell that the end is near. The top doesn't seem so far away. The mountains don't look humongous like a few minutes ago. Okay, I'm gonna turn this thing off because I don't want to fall. Cheers. Okay, so the Grand Canyon says that the 3 mile mark is here, and my Garmin beeped less than a minute ago. So they're really close. And time-wise, it is 10:48 p.m. and I have 3 more miles to go. So I want to say I hope that I will be at the top by 1. But I'm definitely gonna break the 24-hour limit. I'm definitely gonna meet that and exceed it. Although that is the least of my concerns right now. But I'm happy, I'm very happy. You motherfucker, you're vertical! I love you, Grand Canyon! All right. 8 miles in, 2 miles to go. Let's look at our time here. Oops. Oops, I don't know what I did there. Oh shit, now I think it's 9. That's fine. No, it's 8:03. Okay, so I have covered 8 miles. I have 2 to go since Phantom Ranch. And it is 11:20. At this point, I am moving at the pace of geologic change. 2 more. Almost there. I made it. I'm almost out canyon. I made it. I'm almost to the top. I think this is the last switchback. I'm so happy. I made it. I'm done. Rim to rim to rim. The time is 12:23 in the morning on Wednesday, November 4th. Woo! All right, I'm gonna go find my car because I'm freezing.